In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Ctrl T shortcut in Photoshop, also known as Free Transform. This is one of the most useful shortcuts you can learn in Photoshop because it gives you quick, flexible control over the size, angle, and position of almost any object in your project, whether you're working with an image, a shape, a text layer, or another design element. Free Transform helps you make adjustments much faster without digging through menus. To begin, select the layer you want to transform. This is important because Photoshop only applies the transformation to the active layer. So before doing anything else, make sure you've clicked on the correct image, text, shape, or object in your Layers panel. Once your layer is selected, press Ctrl T on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, you'll see a transform box appear around the selected object. This box includes handles around the edges and corners, and those handles are what you'll use to make your changes. If you want to resize the object, click and drag one of the corner handles. This allows you to make the layer larger or smaller directly on the canvas. If you want to rotate it, move your cursor just outside the bounding box, then click and drag. This gives you smooth control over the angle, which is especially helpful when you're trying to line up an object or create a more dynamic layout. To move the object to a different spot, simply click inside the transform box and drag it wherever you want on the canvas. This makes it easy to reposition a layer while you're already in transform mode, which can save a lot of time during editing. You can also right-click inside the transform box to open additional transformation options. From there, you'll see tools like Scale, Rotate, Skew, Distort, Perspective, Warp, and options to flip horizontal or flip vertical. These are great when you need more advanced control and want to shape or adjust an object in a more specific way. When you're happy with the result, press Enter, or click the check mark in the options bar to confirm the transformation. If you decide not to keep the changes, press ES before confirming, and Photoshop will cancel the transformation. Mastering Ctrl T can seriously speed up your workflow and give you much more control over your designs. It's a simple shortcut, but it's one you'll use constantly. Keep practicing it in different projects and you'll become faster, more precise, and more confident in Photoshop.